How to make video call on Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you make video calls on Telegram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Telegram with your account. Alright, so after you open the application, you'll get such interface. So from the chat section, you'll have to just select that individual or contact whom you want to make a video call. So I will choose this contact from here. Alright, so after you open the conversation, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the profile icon just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the profile section of your selected individual on Telegram, you'll be able to see your options like video. So simply you have to go the option video to make a video call on Telegram, and after you tap on that video, you'll be able to make or start a video call on Telegram. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.